Today, I have to open a bank account. I have no idea what to say. What if they ask me something scary? Like, credit score. What even is that? Okay, let's go in. If I don't come back, tell my English teacher I tried.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
I want bank. Open. Money. I want open bank account, please?
Oh, you'd like to open an account.
Yes. Open an account.
No worries. We can do that. Do you want a checking account or a savings account?
Sorry, I don't know the difference.
Of course. A checking account is for everyday use. Paying bills, online shopping, receiving salary. A savings account is for saving money long term. It usually earns interest.
Oh. So checking for life. Savings for dreams.
For the account, I'll need some identification.
I have ID. I have passport. I don't have credit score.
You don't need a credit score to open a basic checking account.
Oh, thank you. I thought I needed good job, good life, and 12 houses.
Your identification is your passport, driver's license, or ID card. A credit score shows how responsible you are with money.
Oh. So like a money report card?
Exactly. Once we open your account, we'll give you a debit card.
Debit card means I owe money?
No. That's a credit card. A debit card uses your money from your account.
Oh, good. My money stays my money.
Debit equals your money. Credit equals borrowed money.
Credit equals trouble.
How much would you like to deposit today?
Deposit means give you money?
Yes. And withdraw means take money out.
Oh, so deposit equals goodbye money. Withdraw equals hello money.
Haha, that's one way to see it. Deposit equals put money in. Withdraw equals take money out.
I will deposit everything. Except what I need for coffee.
Would you like to set up online banking?
Online banking? Is it safe?
Yes. You can check your balance, transfer money, pay bills.
Okay. But if I click wrong button, will I buy a house?
Haha, no, it doesn't work like that. Your balance is how much money you have. A transfer is when you move money to someone else or another account.
Transfer equals magic money moving.
All right, your account is open. This is your account number and routing number. You can easily find your routing number and account number in your online banking app, usually under Account Details or Direct Deposit Information.
Routing number. What does it do?
A routing number is a unique 9-digit code that tells banks where a transaction should go.
Oh, like money GPS.
Haha, yes, exactly.
Thank you so much for your help today. Seriously. I would be lost without you.
You're welcome, Mr. Lost. Glad I could help.
I finally feel like I understand banking in English. A little bit.
You're doing great. Have a nice day.
You too. And, please don't forget me when I get confused again. Okay. I did it. I survived the bank. Today I learned checking account, savings account, interest identification, credit score, debit card, deposit, withdraw, transfer, balance, routing number. If you want more real-life English lessons, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and watch the next episode. See you soon. Bye.